I'm about to build a high-converting Shopify product page from scratch, and I'll be showing you step-by-step how to launch your product and create a stunning product page. I'll be showing you how to add product variants, and then also how to add a size chart to your product page. If you haven't already, you'll want to set up your Shopify account. Shopify lets you get started with a free trial before you commit to a longer-term plan. There's also 2 major discounts you can use for Shopify. First up, I have a way that you guys can get your first 3 months on Shopify for just $1 a month. I'll put that Shopify sign-up link in the description box below so that you don't have to commit just yet to a long-term plan. Then down the road, when you go to select a plan, you can also save 25% every month when you select to get their yearly plan. This way, you are saving money every single month. If you want to get your first 3 months for $1 a month, I'll put the link for where you guys can sign up in the description box below. So inside Shopify, you'll first want to launch your product. On your sidebar, you're going to want to click Products. Then you can click Add Product. This is the page where you can launch your product and start filling in all the details. I'm going to add the title for the product that I'm launching. Below the title field is going to be the description box. You can add your product specifications and materials. I'm going to show you a way that you can use AI to help you generate your product description. I've opened up my membership, and if you guys don't know, I have a community where all my members get access to a vault of digital resources that they can use for their Shopify store. Here you can see it's a ton of digital items that you can download and enjoy if you're new to Shopify. I have a specific prompt pack that has a ton of must-have prompts that you can use for your website and to help you launch your products faster. If you're a member, you can download and enjoy all of these resources for free. So I'm going to download this prompt pack, and I'm going to scroll down inside the prompt pack so that I can grab my product description prompt. You can also see there's a ton of other prompts, like an About Us prompt to help you write your About Us text, your call to action for your website, and there's a ton of other prompts. You can open your AI writing tool. So here I've opened up ChatGPT, and I'm going to paste in that prompt. And then don't forget to customize the prompt to fit your product. For this video, I'm launching a hoodie product. So I'm going to mention that the product is a hoodie. Then at the end, I'm going to add in the materials of the hoodie. So I just added to the prompt what the material of the hoodie is. Now you can just have ChatGPT generate your description for you. I'm going to copy this product description. Then inside Shopify, I'm going to paste in the product description. Don't forget you can make any additional tweaks to your description. And you can also insert pictures and videos throughout the description. I'm going to scroll down and then upload my products of the photo here in the media field. Try to upload high quality photos of your product, and also try to upload multiple photos of your product from different angles. You can also upload videos of your product. Under category, you can categorize your clothing item. Here it has detected that this is a hoodie product. And next, I'm going to be setting the price. After you set the price, you'll have the option to set the compare at price if you would like. Under inventory, you can type in the amount of stock that you have for the product. Then for a few more settings, you can click this drop down if you need to add in additional inventory details for your item. And you'll notice under the inventory section is the shipping section where you can add in your product weight. You can also change the weight format. Then also under package, you can add in a new package to represent the size of the packaging for your product that you're launching. Once you customize your shipping settings, you'll have a few other details for your product, like your variants, your product meta fields, and then also your search engine listing display. Your category meta fields is where you can categorize different details of your product to keep it organized inside your store. The search engine listing display is an example of how the title and the description of the listing is going to appear when people see it in like a Google search engine. You can customize the appearance of this if you need to. Keep watching because I'm going to show you how to add detailed variants and how to add a size chart to your product. Next, we're just going to take a look at our almost finished product page. Then I'm going to show you how you can display your product on your homepage. Then we're going to finish up the last of the product launch details. Under product organization, you can add in the type of product that you're launching. You can list yourself as the vendor of the product, or you can type in the vendor. You can also add the product to a product collection, and you can add your product tags. The tags will represent some of the different search terms that your customers might be searching inside your website to find this specific type of product. So you'll definitely want to add product tags to help your customers find the product that they're looking for when they're searching for it on your website. I'm going to save my product. And just for a quick note, if you're not ready to launch your product just yet, you can set the product status to a draft. This way it shouldn't be visible inside your website. And you can have more time to finish working on your product and your product page before you have to make your product officially live on your website. When you're working on the launch of your product, inside my membership, I do have a product launch digital planner, which is a 42-page planner that you can download and print out, and you can use it to plan the launch of your product. My membership also has a store launch workbook to help you with the launch of your entire Shopify store. If you want to grab these resources, the link for where you guys can join my community is going to be in the description. I've set my product status to active, and I'm going to click on online store so that I can take a look at that product inside my website. Click edit theme to open up your website. And this is where you can take a look at the product that you just launched. So I'm going to use the search bar to search for the product that I've just launched. Here's what my product page is looking like. You want to review your product page to see if you want to make any changes to the photos or the photo layout. and also to the description of your product. Click on the mobile icon so that you can take a look at how your product is going to appear, as an example on mobile devices. I'm going to click on my website's logo to take me back to the home page. And on your homepage, a way that you guys can feature the product would be to add a featured collection to your website. Adding a homepage section like a featured collection allows you to be able to feature that product in a lineup on your homepage. If you guys also like the style of this website that I'm showing in this video, this is one of my Shopify templates, and I'll have it linked in the description box for you guys. It's a customizable Shopify theme, which can help you to save hours and even days of time from having to do your entire website on your own. I have a few different lines of Shopify themes for different business types, including if you have a clothing store, a jewelry or beauty store, and I have themes for many other business types. You can customize and change the colors. You can change the layout and add your own pictures to make the theme yours. It's also simple to install. On Shopify, you'll be able to click upload a zip file, and you can upload that theme zip file straight into your store. Then you can edit it, publish it, and launch your store. And also, just so there's no confusion with the install process, each of my themes come with a step-by-step digital install guide to show you exactly how to set up and install the Shopify template into your store. No coding is required, and any products you already have on your Shopify dashboard will sync up and add to the theme. Using a premium theme allows you to have a branded and optimized website without having to do everything from scratch. I'm going to link this Shopify template in the description box below, along with where you can check out my other lines of Shopify themes. Next, to add product variants. Variants will represent the different sizes or color options that you want to add to your product. You want to exit your theme editor. Then you can click Products to open up that product that you just launched. I'm going to scroll down on the product editing page, all the way down to the variant section. And I'm going to click Add options like size or color. And I'm going to first select the size option, since I'll be adding different sizes to this example hoodie product. You can title the option name, and then you can select from their options. Then you want to click Done. And then when you scroll down, you should see those different size options added. You can set different prices for the different variants. And you can also add in the inventory amount that you have for each size. You'll definitely want to add in the stock amount that you have for each size. This way, when your customers are checking out, they can actually select the variant and the product won't show up as out of stock. You can add another variant option. So I'm going to click Add another option. And here I'm going to select color. This way I can add some color options for the product. So when I click here, it's going to let me select from the default colors that they have. You can also add new colors if you need to. I'm going to click Done. And when you scroll down, you should be able to click the drop down for each of the color variants. And you can add in the inventory amount that you have for those as well. You can also upload pictures of the product and each of the specific colors that correspond with the variants. So here's an example of how my variants now look, now that I've uploaded photos for each of the variants. You can also see that I've added in the inventory amount for each of the variants. I'm going to scroll up to the top of my product page. And I'm next going to be showing you how to add the size chart to your product description. Like I said, in my community, I have a size chart template, and it has a variety of size charts for clothing products and then also shoes and jewelry products. I'm going to click on this size chart, and then I'm going to download this. And I'm going to open the size chart template. Here you can see it's going to be a pack of editable size chart templates. When you're editing the size chart, you can pick a size chart that fits your type of product that you're launching, and there's a few different ones that you can choose from. And when you click on the elements, you'll be able to customize the numbers and the text that you see. I'm going to click share, and then I'll be downloading this first size chart page. And don't forget to select the exact page that you want to download. Then back on Shopify, inside the product description, I'm going to be clicking this insert image icon to upload the size chart. That's how to add a size chart to your description. You can also reduce the size of the size chart, and you can center it on your description if you would like to customize it. I'm going to click save to go ahead and save this product page, and now we can view it. Back inside my website, I'm going to open up that product. Here's how the product page looks with those variants added, and also with the size chart added to the description. Your product page should have a clean layout, and your customers should be able to click on those variant options. You'll see if I click on the pink variant, it's going to apply that photo on the screen so that your customers will know that they've selected the pink hoodie option. And it's the same for the blue hoodie and then for the black hoodie. That's how to launch your product. And just for a few more details about my community, it has a huge collection of Shopify resources designed to help you set up and manage your store on Shopify. Inside my community, there are website prompt packs to help you generate product descriptions, about us text, and other important website copy, along with size chart templates, product launch planners so that you can plan out your product launches. There's also my Shopify Basics guide, which is perfect for if you're brand new to the platform. Once you're a member, you'll have 24/7 access to download and enjoy every single digital item in the membership. The link for where you can join is in the description below. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you are interested in this Shopify template, I will have this link in my description box below. And I also have a wide variety of other types of Shopify templates designed for clothing, apparel, beauty, and many other types of businesses. If you're not too familiar with Shopify theme templates, after your order, you're going to receive it in a theme zip file format. And here on Shopify, you'll have the option to install that theme zip file straight into your store. You'll be able to edit the section, and you'll be able to add your pictures and products. Most of my Shopify themes are template bundles, so they do include other templates like logo templates, banner templates, and more. Those will be linked in my description box below. Thank you all so much for watching.